Hurricane force winds are less than an hour away now. The wind's really picking up. The rain's finally starting to come in full force. I can hear my front door rattling. Actually had to deadbolt it to make sure it didn't fly open. I've actually set up supplies in a walk-in closet in case worst comes to worst. It's almost here now. See you then.